are watching Kiddoz World TV.
Coco's Farm Adventure. Once upon a time, on a peaceful farm, there lived a little, cute cow named Coco. Coco had soft, white fur with tiny brown spots that looked like fluffy clouds. She loved exploring the farm and chatting with her animal friends. One sunny morning, Coco woke up, excited. Today, I'll go on an adventure and meet my friends, she said with a happy moo. First, she walked to the pig pen where Penny the piglet was playing in the mud. "Hi, Penny. What are you doing?" Coco asked. Penny oinked happily, oink oink. "I'm having a mud bath. It keeps me cool." Coco laughed. "That sounds so fun." Coco trotted to the hen house and saw Clucky laying eggs. "Good morning, Clucky. What are you doing?" "Cluck, cluck. Laying eggs for Farmer Joe." Clucky replied proudly. Coco smiled. "You're amazing." Cluck, cluck. Coco wandered to the field and saw Max, the sheep, grazing. "Hi, Max. How's the grass?" "Baa, baa. Fresh and tasty. Want some?" Max replied. Coco giggled. "No thanks." Coco heard a neigh and saw Bella trotting by. "Hi, Bella. Where are you going?" she asked. "Neigh, neigh. To pull the hay wagon," Bella replied. "You're so strong," Coco said. Coco went to the barn and saw Hoot the owl napping. "Hoot, do you go on adventures?" she asked. Hoot hooted, "Hoo hoo. Every day is an adventure when you're curious, like you, Coco." Coco felt so happy after visiting her friends. She learned something special from each of them. Penny taught her to stay cool. Clucky showed her hard work. Max shared kindness. Bella showed strength. And Hoot reminded her to be curious. As the sun began to set, Coco lay down in her cozy hay bed and whispered, "Today was the best adventure ever. Moo moo to all my friends." And with that, Coco drifted off to sleep, dreaming of another exciting day on the farm.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kiddoz World TV. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.